remote procedure call is a Windows component that facilitates communication between different processes in the system over a network. It can sometimes fail with the user's attempt to access a service, resulting in this error message. If you also happen to have the same problem, here's what you can do to troubleshoot it. First up, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter by opening Settings, go to System, select Troubleshoot, choose Other Troubleshooter, and select Run in the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Next, refresh the RPC service by opening Services, locate the Remote Procedure Call service, right-click on it, then select Restart. Additionally, you may also restart DCOM Server Process Launcher by opening Services, locate the DCOM Server Process Launcher service, right-click on it, then choose Restart. Now if the Restart option is grayed out, choose Refresh. So that's how you can fix the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.